everyone, my name is Patrick Jan Ribuyo, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Block 13. Today I will be reacting to a video titled IoT Security Risks and Benefits, which I watched on YouTube. The video discusses how IoT is making life easier, but also highlights serious security concerns that users should be aware of. What is IoT? The video explains that the Internet of Things refers to smart devices connected to the Internet, such as smart home, gadgets, wearable tech, and industrial sensors. While these devices offer convenience, they also raise security concerns because they handle sensitive user data. The advantage of IoT: number one, convenience and automation. IoT simplifies daily tasks. Smart assistant like Alexa, Google Home, and automated appliances make life easier. Number two, improve efficiency and productivity. Business use IoT for automation, predictive maintenance, and smart inventory. Tracking reducing costs. And also number three, better healthcare and safety. Wearable health device track heart rate, oxygen levels, and even detect irregularities early, helping prevent health issues. Number four, smart cities and transportation. IoT improves urban life with smart traffic lights, waste management system, and self-driving cars. And also, these are the disadvantage of IoT. Number one, cyber tracks and hacking. IoT devices are vulnerable to hacking if someone gain access to smart home system. They could control security cameras or even unlock doors remotely. Number two, data privacy concern. IoT devices constantly collect data, our location, behavior, and personal preferences, which raises privacy issues. Ayan. So, number three, lack of standard security measures. Many IoT devices lack proper security updates, making them easy targets for cyber criminals. And also, number four, device overload and network vulnerabilities. Too many connected devices can slow down network and create weak points for cyber attacks. Also, these are the personal opinion. IoT fascinating because it makes life more convenient, but I believe security should be a top priority. If I were to use IoT devices, I would take extra precautions such as using strong passwords and keeping devices updated. And it is important to be aware of the risks so we can enjoy IoT benefits while staying protected. To summarize, IoT offers amazing benefits like convenience, automation, and improved healthcare. But it also comes with serious security risks. With proper security measures, I believe IoT can be safe and beneficial for society. Overall, IoT is a powerful technology, and we should use it responsibly to maximize its advantage while minimizing risk.